Hi, I'm Zexin Huang. Today I'm going to presentation about business process reengineering. And by research, what is the business process and how and Champion says a statement process is a collection of activities that take one or more kind of input and creates an output that is of value to the customer. Business process reengineering is fundamental rethinking and radical redesign of business processes to achieve improvements in critical contemporary modern measures of performance, such as cost, quality, service. And for this assignment one, I have chosen Munchy's Asian Grocery as a target of analysis because it is a shop owned by my friend. So I want to introduce Munchy's Asian Grocery. Munchy's is a famous and much loved Asian grocery shop in Darwin, which provides a wide range of Asian goods. Furthermore, Munchy's tends to be diversity by products from other Asian countries as a way to attract a wider range of consumers. SWOT analysis is an important tool that helps me to analyze the grocery current internal strengths and weaknesses, external opportunities and threats, and to develop a successful strategies for the future. By this SWOT analysis about strengths, this first one is locations. It located in Serena Square, the largest shopping center in the Northern territory. And the second one is opening time. It opened by every day. And third one is customer loyalty base. Fourth one is customer satisfaction. By the research, there has 24 Google reviews by 5 gives the 5 stars. Last one is wide variety of Asian goods. A wider range of Asian products can be offered for the Asian population. By the weaknesses, this first one is not enough space. Is store size limited. The second one is the product pricing. It's also likely more expensive by another store. The third one is high transportation cost. The first one, the supply of commodity types may be insufficient because consumer often cannot find what they want. The last one, only small shopping buckets available, not suitable for bulk purchase. By the opportunities, is the first one, majority population of Asian in NT Darwin. And the second one, increase the number of products offering. And the third one is by the advertising, such as social media by the Facebook and Instagram. Last one is to build an online grocery store. And the third is the first one is a big competition in the area. There has something like most powerful competitors such as NT Oriental Importing and Subbrand Supermarket and JJ Korean Food and the Chili Choice. And the third one is only Asian goods available. And the third one is competitor offer the home delivery. And by the last one is a rising labor cost. And let's moving next slide. And the past analysis is a tool that help me analyze the political, economic, and social culture and technological changes in the business environment. I will be using past tool to understand and analyze the current and future business environment. By the political, the first one is food and safety regulations. And the third one is tax policies. And the third one is labor laws. The cost of complying with the laws such as labor laws may be significant and financially costly retailers, which may make it difficult to maintain a competitive advantage and reduce the cost for consumers according to price tag. And for the economic, unemployment rates leads to reduce the purchasing capacity of consumers. And the third one is high property rents increase the operating cost of grocery shops, which in turn increase the selling price of products. And the third one is changing economic environment may be favorable or unfavorable to industries such as retail, and retailers need to be prepared changes in buying habits during the downturn according to price types in 27. And the social is COVID-19 health and self-safety risk. And the third one is population growth. Darwin City is growing at a rate of 2.6% per year, which is considered to be one of the fastest growing regions in Australia. And the third one shifts consumers' behavior. By the technological, the first one is most important one is online shopping. The development of digital technology has increased the number of participants in the retail industries. This is become consumer can shop online or have it delivery to their homes, thus reducing the needs for in-store visits. This may result in lost sales in the industry retail sector. The third one is the development of social media, and the last one is the delivery choice for consumers. So This will be help understand the threats the grocery store face and take advantage of the opportunity they provide. The next section is the demand analysis, which can be seen in this chart. As you can see, Australian food and grocery retail market will generate total revenue of a compound annual growth rate of 5.2% from 2016 to 2020. The Australian food and grocery market grows by 9.9% in value in 2020 due to the COVID pandemic, which increased the demand driven by shifts in spending in the preventative buying and food service channels. The demand exercise provides a development future growth outlook for the Australian food and grocery retail market. Next slide, I would like to introduce the order process of the grocery, which is divided into three parts for the consumers and the shop staff and shop owner. The first part is whether the consumers enter the shop and selected and the desired grocery, and if they need to assistance needed, like ask for price and stock, there is the two choice, yes or no. When you say no, maybe you will pay for the desired items and leave. But when the consumers need to ask the price and stock, they need to assistance of staff who take about 5 minutes, depending on the value of inquiries, to go to the warehouse to check stock and ask the shop owner for price. And the shop owner will then give the prices and stock and finally pass on the information to the consumers. And also for the shop staff part, the process involves the cashier and helping the staff to collect the money and giving a receipt, like the originally the Asian grocery by Munchies. So for the, I would like to talk about the issues in the as your order process and solutions. But the issues is first one is weakening the user experience, like consumers may not to be able to find they want to and waste the time. The second one is it take up too much time when the consumers confirm stock and prices with the shop staff. You need to take the 5 minutes or more. The third one is the variety of products may be possible to sort them effectively, resulting in a drain on consumers' time and patience. By the solutions, its first one is building online shopping systems. Find what you need in time by searching, avoid killing, and improve eventually. The third one is create a database application for mobile phones. AI can be used to check price and stock, as well as visualize the data. Effective training for staff on how to use the database. Next, I would like to introduce the to-be ordered process of grocery store, which I have re-engineering to provide a new form of shopping for the consumer, which is online shopping systems, where the consumer can search for the products they want via the groceries website, get a stock and price immediately, and pay for the order online. As you can see, the green one I aid the online shopping process. When consumers visit your site, search grocery, and you can check stock and price. If they find it like yes, they will continue to order grocery and make payments and leave. When you not find when you want like the stock and the price you don't want to leave, and you will can leave. And the online order will be sent to shop staff for packing and delivery, and the shop staff will be able to search for prices and stock instantly from their mobile phones. As you can see this part, they will take like 30 seconds. It's very quite quickly, and also you will eventually by consumers and shop staff, and the shop owner will create the data management systems to manage the online website and stock and price informations. As you can see, the business process re-engineering is an effective improvement in three areas. Its first one is for customers. It can save time and easy bulk buying. Also can reduce the cost of petrol and purchase and parking, improve the customer satisfaction. And for the shop staff, it can reducing the stress due to excessive crowds and improve the quality of service to customer. Also avoid classifications of products. And for shop owner, it can improve the user experience and more competitive in the industry and also monitoring of business data, including stock and sales, and expand business channels and engage with the broader range of customers. Finally contributes to future planning and forecasting of demand. By the conclusion, by this presentation, the aim was to investigate and analyze the current business processes from Munchies by using BPMN tools improving issues and talking advantages of business opportunity to re-engineering business workflows, finding the new way to propose improvements to the customer service of this Asian grocery store in Darwin. That's my reference. Thank you. That's my presentation about assignment 1. Thank you.